Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you once again with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today from Vietnam, we have Acecook with our How Mi Goreng shrimp and onion flavor coming at you. So, to it we do it. Pretty simple one today. But the last one I had was a green curry pad thai, and took a few more bites of that. And let me tell ya, spicy, spicy. It wants you to put this in with it, which like really goes against everything in my. It makes me think that they just like use the same info on it, but there's no way. But it's what it says to do, so I do what it tells me. I'm an automaton when it comes to packaging, and it goes for 3 minutes. So yeah, you just basically have it in the water for 3 minutes, give it a little stir, drain it, put the other two in and stir it up, and it's done. It's kind of the standard mi goreng thing, kinda. I prefer boiling noodles myself instead of just straight up steeping them, but it'll work. It will work. Ugh. And that's actually what makes them instant. If you can just like throw them in boiling water, put a lid over them and let them sit for a while, they're instant. You gotta boil the water anyways though, so why don't you put the noodles in the water while it's boiling? Oh, I like it. There are noodles, however, that do not lend themselves to boiling. Oh, God. I'm a factory right now. I'm just like constantly making nose junk. I'm really not at all amused. My daughter just started being sniffly too, and she's got a birthday party tomorrow. I hope that, hope that doesn't affect that. That would be really, really lame. Her first birthday party invite. That's pretty cool. Little Miss Popular. Is this? Did I even set the timer? I did. Yeah. So, was cloudy outside, now not so much. I don't know that I'm going anywhere today. I really don't think I'm up for it. It's so hot in the kitchen, and it's like way cooler than it was outside yesterday, but it's warm enough. It's like 65, I think. Yesterday I got up to like 84, and I was out in it running to the store. I got her these, the Kind bars, right? Well, they make ice cream bars, and you get a box of 5 of them. She was like, if you love me, you'll go to the store and get me some of those. I'm like, sure, I love you, I'll go get you some. She's like, maybe you could get me 2 boxes? I'm like, I'll get you 3. Then I go there. They're like 6 something. I know they came to like, for the 3 boxes of these like Kind, and they're like the size of a Kind bar. They have ice cream in them and nuts and junk. But they're like, it was like 6, it must be like $6.79. Maybe it was, I don't know, but it ended up being just over 20 bucks for 3 5-pack boxes of ice cream bars. Like, what freaking planet do we live on anymore? I don't know. It's like the balls. But no, I'm more than happy to get her some of that, of course. She asks for so little and gives us so much. But yeah, why don't they like kind of make them a little bit cheaper? That's not very kind. Why would you call them kind bars and charge people that much to eat them? It's not very kind. I'll call them rude bars. You know, but if there's something spendy, and she's like, do you need one of these? I'm like, yeah, but it's spending. She's like, well, you need it, so we'll get it. It's like, I'm a cheapskate. I review instant noodles, come on. Not only that, I try to get companies to send them to me without me having to like hunt them down. The hunting for noodles thing I like to do, but I don't like to rely on it so much, you know. I ain't your regular end user and all that. But companies are kind and they send lots of varieties and stuff all the time. But some of them I can't even talk to because of language barriers. So if I can find stuff from these companies, and then import restrictions, those are a pain in the butt. Urgh. Oh God. They had the January 6th meeting or hearing last night, and they had they made sure it was the primetime one, and they made sure to put people that were doing silly things, put them in the limelight and let you know how stupid they thought they looked. It's pretty funny. This Josh Hawley guy, oh my God. He was all like, yeah, to the rioters. And then there's like video of him like scurrying away, fleeing the whole... I'm one of you people. Whoa, 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 get me out of here. They're all crazy. Ah. I don't know. I'm sure though the detail that was telling him to get out, it's like, okay, we run now, sir. We're out of here. But the best one is they did outtakes of that message that Trump did, and he's saying like, can we scratch yesterday? Yesterday's a hard word for me. I was like, whoa! I asked my my autistic son this morning, can you say yesterday? He's all, yesterday. I tell ya, the things in the universe we live in. These are the people in your neighborhood. What the frickin' hell? So there's like, I believe a shrimp and onion satay flavor that How does? Or is it just onion satay? Or satay? But honestly, this reminds me of that just in a dry form, which is not a bad thing. It's quite good. I want to use that plate. No, I want to use this one because I haven't used this one in forever. It's time to use the Pet Forever plate. God, yeah. Can you tell? I'm singing, ladies and gentlemen. I am singing to you. That's very out of the norm. Hey, Babs, come here. Look, Ramen Raider's singing songs. Must be loopy. Yeah. Get alone, Babs. That's what my dad called my mom. I never really thought that was all that cool. Don't call Mom Babs. That's like, geez. With love, of course. I don't know if we can do this. Can you torch a shrimp? Whoa, I don't know about that. Whoa, yeah, that's enough of that. I don't need burning shrimp. Oh, yeah. Torched shrimp shell. Well, I had to try it one time or another, and I tried it this time, and it wasn't like the best move. See that egg? These eggs are funny. I like them, but These are the brown eggs from Amazon Fresh, and they do weird stuff to me. But that's okay. We got some springy onion. And some mung bean sprouts that seem like this is it for them. I'm glad I got more use out of these mung bean sprouts than I thought I was gonna. Sesame seed. Yeah, okay. There you go. How many did we get on that egg? Just the right amount. Okay, we got it. Like looks like a trifecta. How. Noodle. Yep, Ramen Raiders acting rummy. Whoa. Let's find a better song. This one isn't bad. This reminds me of Supreme NTM, if you're familiar with French rap. But anyway, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your instant noodles each and every day. That's 6 that I've done today. 1 day, 1 week for you.